Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about upgrading your CommBank debit card to a platinum card. The term platinum card can refer to either a platinum debit MasterCard or a platinum credit card. These are two different products with different features and application processes. You can upgrade your existing CommBank debit card to a World Debit MasterCard, which is CommBank's premium debit card offering, similar to a platinum debit card. To do this, you must be at least 18 years old, have an Australian residential address, and have an eligible CommBank transaction account. You can easily switch your card online through the CommBank app or NetBank. Upgrading your debit card gives you access to a range of benefits without taking on a line of credit. A platinum credit card, on the other hand, is a credit product. It's not a direct upgrade from your debit card. To get a platinum credit card, you would need to apply and be approved for it. This involves meeting specific eligibility criteria, which may include minimum income requirements. The key difference is that a debit card uses your own money directly from your bank account, while a credit card provides you with a line of credit that you have to pay back. While both a premium debit card and a platinum credit card can offer benefits like insurance and rewards, the way they function and the application process are very different. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.